Good day po mga bayang karirista. July 19, 2026, Sunday at PJCI. Start time at 2 p.m. Ay yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po nilagay ko po sa dulo. Baka kasi may magpahabol pa po ng pa-shoutout. Start na po tayo. Race number 1. Start po ng first winner take all. Races 1 to 7. Distance 1,400 meters. Sa araw po ng Sunday, bali 9 races tayo. Kaya magiging dalawang set ng winner take all. Kaya good luck po sa lahat po ng tataya ng mga winner take all. Race number 1, pampremera ko dito. Numero 2, Moderna. Eto, binigay na sa maayos na hinete. Mga previous run nito kasi yung bigat ng hinete, si Miles Bakal Pilapil, napakabigat, may dalang bakal kaya halos hindi makaunat to si Kabayo. Tingin ko wala namang ganung kabilis, baka mauna to si Moderna at dito doble manakbo to sa PJC. Pag ito napabayaan at nauna, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. At gamay ni RJC Tabor to, si Moderna. Tapos second choice ko, numero 6, Lightning Bolt. Sakali naman pilitin nilang habulin si Moderna sa unahan. Tingin ko eto pwede makinabang. Numero 6, Lightning Bolt. Tapos ang ganda pa ng posisyon niya, nasa dulo. Tingin ko mag-aabang lang to. Kaya po sa race number 1, pampremera ko po numero 2, Moderna. Second choice ko, numero 6, Lightning Bolt. Sa race number 2 na po tayo, start po ng first pick 6. Races 2 to 7, distance 2,000 meter. Ito sa race number 2 na to, magulo tong race number 2 na to kagad. Kaya pag may mga kursunada po kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang po lalo na't mga dehado. Pamprimera ko dito, tingin ko to dehado pa dito to. Numero 4, Imagination. Ito angkop sa kanyang distansya, 2,000 meters. Lagi lang nabibitin yung remate nito. Di remating kabayo to si Imagination. Pag ito naghabol lang kaagad sila sa unahan, tingin ko malaki chance makarimate to ngayon. Numero 4, Imagination. Tapos second choice ko yung numero 8, Animo Magnolia. Eto cambio hinete, binigay na kay JT Sarate. Tingin ko maganda itatakbo ngayon neto. Numero 8, Animo Magnolia. Tapos third choice ko numero 5, Native Public. Eto cambio naman din hinete neto. MA Alvarez, tingin ko maganda rin na rin itatakbo neto. Last run nito, kinulang lang to. Tapos medyo malakas din yung laban niya doon kasi imported yun sila. Dig Deep. Tingin ko ngayon mag-uumento na to. Numero 5, Native Public. Kaya po sa race number 2, pampremera ko, numero 4, Imagination. Second choice ko, numero 8, Animo Magnolia. Tapos third choice ko, numero 5, Native Public. Sa race number 3 na po tayo, start po ng second winner take all. Races 3 to 9, distance 2,000 meters. Dito po sa race number 3, pag may mga kursunada po kayo, dagdag nyo lang po. Kasi itong numero 4 na to, Black Eagle, ito para po sa akin. Susuluhin ko na po to. Tingin ko kasi dito, 2 horse race lang to between Rapido saka Black Eagle. Kaya pimili na lang ko na isa para makatipid. Numero 4, Black Eagle. Kung may puhunan kayo, pwede nyo dagdag yung Rapido kung gusto nyo maniguro. Pero ako, susuluhin ko na to, numero 4, Black Eagle. Bumaba ng laban. Sa Triple Crown to ngayon, nasa hopeful na. Tingin ko pag yung kondisyon nito nandun pa din, tingin ko wala nang pauunahin to kasi mabilis na kabayo to. Numero 4, Black Eagle. Kaya po sa race number 3, to numero 4, Black Eagle, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po. Sa race number 4 na po tayo, start po ng second pick 6. Races 4 to 9. Distance 1,650 meters. Dito po sa race number 4 na to, medyo magulo to kasi nga yung iba rito karamihan halos mga bagong kabayo. Pero first choice ko rito yung veterano na rin, yung numero 12, Longevity. Ganda position niya, nasa labas. Tingin ko makakasabay ka agad at maganda yung sasalita. Tapos second choice ko yung couple entering numero 3, Complacent. Saka yung 3A, Brown Missile. Tapos third choice ko, numero 2, Cara Christie. Pero kung may punan pa kayo, pwede nyo sama yung numero 5, Looming Legend. Pagkatapos pala ng info ko rito, in-upload ko po itong mga takbo ng mga bagong kabayo rito para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. In-upload ko yung Cara Christie, Party for Us, Complacent, Looming Legend, saka Alabama Elegance.
Now set to go and they're off and racing. And a bit slow off the inside was Be Kind. Coming out very well was Megan Maxine, looking to lead on the early part. But scooting up on the inside, Be Kind is going to go with Megan Maxine. Concrete Solution works up to third. And fourth, the inside, then Queen Liam. Followed then by a couple back, Super Majority in that pink jacket. Outside of Super Majority is the grey, the other grey Millennia, followed then by tacking onto the back of them California King. At the tail of the field and hard ridden is A Man's a Man as they go by the 800 metres, and up front Be Kind kicked away by 2.5 lengths. Megan Maxine in second, Concrete Solution third, your favourite, and fourth the rail is Queen Liam. Now creeping closer Millennia, followed then by 2 or 3 back California King, then came Super Majority best of the rest. A Man's a Man is the tail ender on the circle, 600 metres out. Be Kind is still travelling well. Now off the bridle and chasing is Concrete Solution. Millennia saving ground towards the rail, and the inside Queen Liam at the 200 metres. Be Kind about to be tackled by Millennia coming through on the inside. Queen Liam is there. Concrete Solution winding up down the outside. Be Kind still defying them all. Here comes Concrete Solution with giant strides right down the outside. Concrete Solution hits the front and wins the first. He beats Be Kind, closest third, Queen Liam or Millennia, followed then by Super Majority, and then a long way back behind them was California King, not today for him, Megan Maxine likewise, and A Man's a Man was last throughout.
Off and racing, it's a good start for all 6 runners. It's Looming Legend, the leader, and showing speed as well now. Grabbing the lead is number 2 horse Alabama Elegance, and running in the middle portion, closing it now is Miss Shiny Treasure. Pass approaching on the outside is Incy Vinci. Another gap by Miss Shiny Little. And a long way back to Lucky Fortune. 3 runners headed to the 1,000 meter pole. It's Looming Legend still the leader by Alec. And racing on the outside, moving up Incy Vinci. Down third is Miss Shiny Treasure, followed by Alabama Elegance. Then a long way back to Miss Shiny Little and Lucky Fortune. 400 meters out, it's now Incy Vinci, puts his head in front against Looming Legend, trying to chase back that on the inside in yellow cap, and that is Miss Shiny Treasure. 3 runners headed to the 100 meter pole, trying to chase back is Looming Legend. That on the inside once again is Miss Shiny Treasure. Miss Shiny Treasure, Looming Legend. It's Miss Shiny Treasure wins the body race, beating Looming Legend. Followed by Alabama Elegance. Then followed by Incy Vinci. Miss Shiny Little, last to finish, Lucky Fortune. Through all the way. Gates open, they're up and racing Aiyazaki. The quickest out of the gate and showing speed now is Laika Ferrari together with Complacence. That on the inside is Dashing Shanghai, followed by Fire Up Zeus. And coming closer now in 5th position by another 5 lengths, and that is It's a Baby. Flying Truffle second last, and down last position is Aiyazaki. And as they pass the midway point, 2 and 3s right together on top, and that is Complacence and Laika Ferrari. On the outside, another gap by Fire Up Zeus, then another space closing in now is It's a Baby. That on the inside is Dashing Shanghai. 400 meters out, it is still right together in front. That is Laika Ferrari and Complacence as they race the home turn. Laika Ferrari. It's Laika Ferrari has a clear fat by half a length now from Complacence. 4 lengths for the back in 3rd position on the outside in yellow cap, and that is It's a Baby. And it's all number 3 horse Laika Ferrari. Laika Ferrari wins the barrier race. Beats number 2 horse Complacence, followed by number 4, that is It's a Baby. Then followed
Sa race number 5 na po tayo, start po ng pick 5, races 5 to 9, distance 2,000 meters. Ito na po yung main event natin, yung third leg, Triple Crown Stake Race. Pang-primera ko dito, couple entry numero 1, Bermuda Triangle sa Kawane Everest. Bermuda Triangle, makasalida lang na maayos at makalabas na aparato, tingin ko. Lamang dito to at patok to dito. Tapos distansya pa niya to 2,000 meters. Tapos yung 1A naman, yung Everest, tingin ko mag-aabang lang to. pag naghabulan si Georgia saka si Gentle dyan sa unahan. Kaya papabor din dito sa 1A na to. Di sunod na kabayan rin naman to. At may bilis yung 1A Everest. Tapos nag-protection ako yung numero 9, Go Santino Go. Itong ganda ng position niya. Nasa dulo. Tingin ko pag naghabulan kagad yung pacing ng mabilis dito, tingin papabor din dito kasi di sunod din naman tong kabayo na to. Numero 9 na to. Go Santino Go. Kaya po sa race number 5 sa Triple Crown, stake race, third leg, pang-primera ko, couple entry numero 1, Bermuda Triangle 1A Everest. Tapos second choice ko numero 9, Go Santino Go. Sa race number 6 na po tayo, start po ng pick 4, races 6 to 9, distance 1,400 meters. Dito po sa race number 6, pag may mga kursonada po kayo, lalo't tihado, dagdag nyo lang po kasi itong numero 6 na to, Melania. Ito para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po dito sa race number 6. Gusto ko yung position niya ngayon, nasa dulo, last to enter. Tingin ko hindi na maiiwan to. Problema lang dito kasi kay Melania, namamartida sa largaan, naiiwan to. Pero ngayon, ang ganda ng position niya, nasa dulo. Tingin ko, makakasabay na kaagad to, numero 6 na to, Melania. Pagkatapos nga pala na info ko dito, in-upload ko po yung last run neto ni Melania para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung susuluhin nyo po ba o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya po sa race number 6, itong numero 6 Melania, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po.
Now set to go, and they're off and racing. And a bit slow off the inside was Be Kind. Coming out very well was Megan Maxine, looking to lead on the early part. But scooting up on the inside, Be Kind is going to go with Megan Maxine. Concrete Solution works up to third. And fourth, the inside, then Queen Liam. Followed then by a couple back, Super Majority in that pink jacket. Outside of Super Majority is the grey, the other grey Millennia. Followed then by tacking onto the back of them, California King. At the tail of the field and hard ridden is A Man's a Man as they go by the 800 metres. And up front, Be Kind kicked away by 2.5 lengths. Megan Maxine in second. Concrete Solution third, your favourite. And fourth, the rail is Queen Liam. Now creeping closer, Millennia. Followed then by 2 or 3 back, California King. Then came Super Majority, best of the rest. A Man's a Man is the tail ender on the circle, 600 metres out. Be Kind is still travelling well. Now off the bridle and chasing is Concrete Solution. Millennia saving ground towards the rail, and the inside Queen Liam at the 200 metres. Be Kind about to be tackled by Millennia coming through on the inside. Queen Liam is there. Concrete Solution winding up down the outside. Be Kind still defying them all. Here comes Concrete Solution with giant strides right down the outside. Concrete Solution hits the front and wins the first. He beats Be Kind, closest third. Queen Liam or Millennia, followed then by Super Majority, and then a long way back behind them was California King. Not today for him. Megan Maxine likewise, and A Man's a Man was last throughout.
Sa race number 7 na po tayo sa Last DD plus 1, distance 1,400 meters. Ito sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa punan, tingin ko pwede rin solohin to, numero 7 na to, Dixie Sky. Tingin ko siya mauna dito kahit nandito si Marengo. Pag ito napabayaan ni Marengo sa unan, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. Numero 7 na to, Dixie Sky, ang baba sa laban. Tapos nag-protection ako, numero 2, Early Bird. Tingin ko naman, sakaling pilitin talaga nilang habulin to si Dixie Sky. Tingin ko ito pwedeng rumimate umapset kay Dixie Sky, numero 2, Early Bird. Kaya po sa race number 7, pa-primera ko, numero 7, Dixie Sky. Tapos second choice ko, numero 2, Early Bird. Sa race number 8 na po tayo sa last double, distance 1,400 meters. Pang-primera ko dito yung numero 2, Bonnie Avenue. Ito galing sa pahinga, kaya tingin ko maganda ngayon itatakbo na ito. At wala naman ako nakikitang ganong mabilis. Baka yung una na to, problema nga lang nito minsan yung salida. Pero pag maganda sinalida na ito, tingin ko wala nang paunahin to. Numero 2 na to, Bonnie Avenue. Tapos second choice ko, numero 5, Clairvoyant. Tingin ko ito pwedeng umupset kay Bonnie Avenue at marimatian siya nito. Kaya po sa race number 8, pang-primera ko po, numero 2, Bonnie Avenue. Second choice ko, numero 5, Clairvoyant. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 9, bago nga pala magbigay ng info ko dito, makikiusap ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko at pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa race number 9 na po tayo sa last forecast, distance 1,400 meters. Pang-primera ko dito, numero 2, Surplus Boy. Tapos second choice ko, numero 5, Waray na May Dapa. Tapos third choice ko, numero 3, closing time. Pero pag may mga tsunada pa kayo dito, dag nyo lang po kasi paratingan to. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos nito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ariel Paraga sa pinapa-shoutout yung mga batang hamog ng Gerardo Street, Sampaloc, sila Ari, Ebad, Leo, Ryan, Noel, JR, Joel. Shoutout po sa inyo mga sir at sa iyo din Sir Ariel Paragas. Shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa iyo Sir Alfonso Horado Jr. Sir Alfonso Horado Jr. Shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Rodilio Tabernilla. Sir Rodilio Tabernilla, shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ramon Carpio, pinapa-shoutout niyo yung kumpare niya, si Tirso Espiel. Sir Tirso Espiel at Sir Ramon Carpio, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at maraming salamat po.